You will love the features of this 2022 Genesis G80. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sensuous Genesis G80, the midsize luxury sedan that prioritizes security and driving pleasure. Leveraging advanced technology, powerful performance, and exquisite quality to create a pure driver and passenger experience, it elevates travel to breathtaking heights. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Exhilarating performance and crisp modern luxury blend beautifully with midsize sedan convenience in this all-new G80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.